And if you're waking up with us this morning, you're looking outside going, yeah, it's a bit on the wet side. It's kind of what we've been used to so far this spring. If you are going to be lining the parade routes for the Daffodil Parade, just keep in mind temperatures are probably going to be quite warm, mid to upper 50s. We're probably not going to see the temperature move very much. It will be gusty at times. We don't have any wind headlines, at least where the parade route is, but still a south wind anywhere between 15 and 30 miles per hour. We could see a couple of wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour. By the way, it starts off around Tacoma just after 10 o'clock and wraps up through Ording about 5 p.m. today. So just something to keep in mind. It's going to be a rather stormy Saturday. Here's the low pressure system right here. It's a pretty impressive looking low. You can see it spin that kind of comet shape sitting offshore. The first band or the first precipitation field moving through western Washington right now. And again, temperatures are pretty much on the warmer side. And keep in mind, we will probably see rounds of rain today. The first wave moving through right now, we'll probably see a brief break late morning into early afternoon before another round moves through later in the day. I think the bigger weather headline is going to be the wind. I'm going to step off here and show you what we have going on. The coast, you guys get the brunt of this storm today. High wind warning until 11 p.m. tonight. Wind speed 20 to 40 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Now far western Snohomish County, basically from Everett northward, we have a wind advisory also expiring at about 11 p.m. tonight, with a couple of wind gusts up near 45 miles per hour. Elsewhere, blustery conditions, but not necessarily windy unless you're on the exposed ridge lines like Grand Ridge Elementary School, usually a typically windy spot, at least over the interior. We just recently had a wind gust of 47 miles per hour just before 3 o'clock this morning. Ilwaco and Hoquiam, coastal beaches will be the places to watch. You can see wind gusts right now approaching 40 miles per hour, and the wind will steadily increase as we head deeper into the day. Temperatures pretty warm right now, ranging from the upper 40s up north to the mid 50s down south. It's going to be a pretty warm day, and the snow level is really high. It's up near about 7,000 feet. It's just going to be raining at the passes before the snow level falls to about 5,000 feet as we head into this evening. Let's time out the rain, shall we? The wettest part of the day, believe it or not, we're actually almost beyond it as that first wave of rain moves on through. Let's time this off. Futurecast does give us a bit of a break. We're including wind on this as well. But notice, again, as we head into the afternoon, another round of rain moves on through. And by the time we head into the afternoon, this is when the wind is really going to start to pick up, especially areas around the San Juan Islands and the coast. You can see a couple of wind gusts up near 50 miles per hour there. The rain doesn't really let up a whole lot as we head into the latter part of the day into this evening. We're still looking at scattered showers through most of the day on Sunday as well. It'll be breezy, but just not as windy as what we're seeing today, and the showers gradually fade through the day on Sunday. So the rest of your forecast looks like this after a rainy and windy Saturday. Still showery and breezy on Sunday. We get a break on Monday. We're back in the 60s for highs, but that's about it for breaks in the weather. You can see increasing rain on Tuesday. We're looking at kind of rain on again, off again for a good chunk of next week, and temperatures falling back into the 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday.